is up, YouTube? Thank you so much for coming down to my frequency. Thank you so much for coming down to my dimension to watch this video, okay? If you guys don't know me, this your boy P, Professor P, X, XA 2.0, and I'm back with another video, y'all. And in this video, we're gonna talk about being rich, alright? You wanna be rich? Well, first, you gotta stop acting like you broke. Alright, because I don't know if you guys know this or not, but your thoughts create your reality. So with your thoughts creating your reality, whatever you think about, that's what you bring about, okay? If you want to be a millionaire, if you want to be rich, if you want to be successful, a YouTuber, whatever it is that you want to do, you first need to think about it and you need to act like it. And then you will be it. They say that whatever a man thinks about, he becomes. Okay, whatever a woman thinks about, she becomes. Alright, so I want y'all to keep that shit in mind, bro, okay? If you want to be rich, you first need to start looking rich, okay? You need to start acting rich, okay? You need to start walking like you're rich, talking like you're rich. Man, you need to start waking up early. You need to start, having a rich lifestyle, and you need to be like that. You need to act like that, okay? Fake it till you make. They say fake it till you make it, but that's how law of attraction truly works. Like, fake it till you actually make it. You don't need to be a millionaire. Like me, I only have right now, I have like $30, $40 in my bank account. But that does not mean that I'm not rich within. I'm rich within, and nobody can take that away from me. The only way that they're gonna take that away from me is if they take my soul, and nobody's taking my soul. So even if I have like $30 or $40 in my bank account, man, I'm still gonna act like I'm rich. I'm still gonna look like I'm rich. I'm still gonna talk like I'm rich. Cause you know why? Cause I'm rich. Even if I have $20 in my account, $40 in my account, you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna go to Tropical Smoothie, even if I have like $6 in my wallet and the smoothie costs $5. I'm not gonna hesitate. I'm not gonna be like, damn, bro, that smoothie is too expensive. But I'm sorry, sir. I can't really give you a discount on it or anything. Damn, are you serious? Like, just give me like $2 off. Just, I'm sorry, sir, but I can't really do that. The smoothie that you want, it's $6, and I can't reduce the price. Are you serious? Alright, I'm out. No, you can't be doing that shit, yo. Okay, if you want to get that smoothie, even if it's expensive, you need to get it. You need to buy it. Even if it's $5 and you only have $6 in your account, you need to buy it, okay? Here's how you should be doing it. Yes, hey man, can I get that smoothie right there? Yes, of course. Would you like a small, medium, or large size? Yeah, I'll take the large one, thank you. Okay, sir, your total is $5.55. Alright, cool. Here you go. Just like that, y'all, you need to make the transaction like a boss. You need to move like a boss. You need to feel like a boss, man. You can't be just, acting like all that bullshit, acting like you don't have money in your account. Okay, this is why the rich get rich and the poor get poor, guys. Because the poor has a mentality that they can't buy it. Has a mentality that it's too expensive or this and that. That's why you guys need to get out of that, yo. Even if you broke, still act like you're rich. Still talk like you're rich. And you're gonna get it. Stop being scared to use your money, y'all. Stop being scared to spend it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, yeah, first take care of your necessities. Take care of your gas. You know what I'm saying? Take care of your phone bill, your internet bill, whatever it is that you need to take care of. Take care of that. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to get that smoothie and you only have $6 in your wallet and the smoothie costs $5.55, don't be scared to just pull out your pocket and buy it. Because what that's going to do is, that's going to first boost your vibration, and it's going to put you in that right mindset. It's going to put you in that right frame, that state of mind that you're rich. And second of all, it's a good ass smoothie. Like, taste that, drink that smoothie, yo. It's a good ass smoothie. Don't be afraid to drink it. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to buy it. Just because it's $5.35 and you only have $6 in your account does not mean that you need to be sacred of your money. Y'all go and buy that shit. Y'all need to stop being so scared to spend your money, okay? That's why you're still broke. Alright, you guys need to have a rich mentality. You guys need to have a rich mindset. Go to some places that make you feel rich. This area right here makes me feel rich because I feel like I own one of these houses. I buy one of these houses. That's why I come around here often, looking rich, feeling rich, acting rich. Because I'm going to be rich, you feel me? Like, it is what it is, yo. Like, even if I have $50 in my account, that's okay. That's okay. I'm still going to be rich. I'm still going to act rich because money circulates, yo. Money circulates. Stop being scared to spend your money. That's why you're still broke, bro. Okay? Do you think rich people are gonna be scared to buy a $5 smoothie, $5.55 smoothie? No, you know why? Because they have $1 million. They could buy million smoothies if they wanted to. Because they live in abundance. They live in abundance, okay? We need to start living in abundance as well. So stop being scared to spend your money. Have an abundance mindset, yo. Have an abundance mindset. But yeah, if you guys want to be rich, man, you guys need to have a rich mentality. By the way, peep the sun right above my head. You know what I'm saying? The chosen one. So, you know, I just wanted to make this quick video, you know, letting y'all know that being rich is just a mind state, yo. It's just a mindset. Okay, being rich is just a mindset. Alright, you could be broke. You could be broke physically in this third dimension, but you could also be rich in your mind. Because everything is within you, alright? So if you guys want to be rich, you first need to be rich where? You need to be rich in your mind first, okay? There's no way that you can make more money if you're still acting broke. Alright, everything, hello. So, you know, you guys need to have a good mentality and be rich. Like, act like you're rich. That's how you're gonna get rich. If you keep acting like you're broke, man, I don't have enough money to buy that. Or, man, I don't have enough money to do this and that. You're not gonna have enough money. You need to have a mentality that, yo, I do have enough money to do this. I do have enough money to buy that. And you will, okay? So stop being scared to, you know, spend your money, bro. You need to be rich. You need to act rich. Even if you're broke right now, that's okay. Still be rich. Act rich. Damn, that car coming fast as fuck. Slow down. Shit, let me go. But you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk to you guys about, man. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, fantastic night whenever you're watching this. Alright, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be informed every single time I upload a new video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.
Light a candle, let it burn. Got a lot of shit to learn. Life hits sometimes, find the right time to go make a turn. I'm sitting alone, LED lights on my thoughts. How did I get here? Asking life what is your plot? I'm waiting for a change, waiting for a change. Sometimes the sun goes away and it rains. When it rains it pours. Let's help the poor. But nobody has that in their mindset. They just wanna go on tour. Living life backwards, you're living life backwards. You causing collateral damage by missing the backboard. Like every single shot you take only gives you stress. You need to meditate, homie, before your life's a mess. Stay focused, pass the test. Subliminal messages. The universe has its own way of giving you messages. Better know what it is. Put it in play before it's too late. Find yourself digging a grave. Just close your eyes and vibe. Let go of anything that's causing you stress, troubles, anxiety, depression. Just let it all out tonight. Just close your eyes and vibe. Let go of anything that's causing you stress, troubles, anxiety, depression. Just let it all out. Thinking